What if DJI kept the Avatar's ducted, crash-friendly vibe, but quietly rebuilt the camera chip on top of it? That's the energy behind the Avatar 3 leaks, and today we're unpacking what looks locked in, what's highly probable, and what might be wishful thinking. Stick around because we'll hit design changes, sensor and frame rate upgrades, flight time, transmission, smart features, and yes, the price lane and release window everyone's asking about. There's one rumored spec that could make night flights look like a dream sequence. We'll get there. At first glance, Avatar 3 still screams Cinewhoop, ducks, protection, go anywhere confidence. Look closer though, and the redesign feels deliberate. A beefier front camera hints at a larger sensor, while moving the battery to the rear clears space and ditches the old bumper look. Rumors of 4-blade props suggest more thrust and agility for tight, low-altitude flying at the cost of more noise and power draw. DJI will likely tweak motor KV and PID logic to keep things smooth. Early weight targets around 145 to 162 grams seem optimistic, but the direction is clear: more agility, same safety net. A rearward center of gravity will need careful tuning to keep pitch response neutral. Here's where the rumor mill starts singing. Multiple whispers point to a 1-inch CMOS stepping in for the Avatar 2's 1x1 0.3 inches. If true, that's a real leap for low light, dynamic range, and color fidelity. Think cleaner shadows at dawn, smoother highlight roll off at noon, and skin tones that don't bail when you duck indoors. Pair that with a faster, likely wider lens, and you finally get that cinematic glide without crushing denoise in post. Yes, a bigger sensor means more heat and more data, plus rolling shutter gremlins to tame, but the enlarged camera housing, we're seeing lines up with those realities. If DJI also tightens auto exposure and color science, expect fewer exposure swings when blasting from sun to shade. This is the spec that sells the upgrade. The big rumor, 4K at 120 frames per second. A big leap over 4K at 60 frames per second, perfect for smooth slow-mo on wraps, slides, and chases. Codec and bitrate matter too. 10-bit D-Log-M and HDR are musts for clean grades. Heat will be the challenge, so expect clip limits in top modes. Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady should bring less micro jitter and cleaner horizons, and if DJI improves motion cadence, slow-mo will look smoother before editing. Projected flight time sits at 23 to 25 minutes, similar to Avatar 2, but likely steadier under throttle spikes thanks to drivetrain tweaks. 4-blade props hit efficiency, so DJI's probably tuning curves to avoid mid-run voltage sag. A rear battery means faster swaps and fewer gimbal bumps. 04 transmission rumors point to 13-kilometer FCC range with lower latency. Real-world gains will hinge on urban and light forest performance. Expect Goggles 4, possible Goggles 3 support, RC Motion 3 control, plus Active Track 6.0, faster wireless offloads, and AI-assisted features in DJI Fly for smoother lines and quicker mobile edits. Pricing isn't confirmed, but expect Avatar 3 near Avatar 2's combo tiers with a bump if the 1-inch sensor and 4K at 120 FPS land. Bundles depend on goggles. Rumors point to a late summer 2025 release, though timing can shift. Upgrade day 1 if you need low light, slow-mo, or stronger 04 links. Daylight 4K at 60 FPS flyers may stick with Avatar 2, especially if DJI backports AI features. What do you think? Does a 1-inch Cinewhoop with 4K at 120 frames per second seal the deal, or are you waiting for hands-on tests? Drop your take below. If this breakdown helped, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full review the moment Avatar 3 is official.